going on, everyone? Just wanted to make a quick little video on my 98 Subaru Legacy Outback. We're doing spark plugs. Had them number 4 misfire show up here, so I was dreading doing this because I was like, oh shit, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get to the spark plugs right there. But now that I got this part, realized it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. On this side, and you just gotta pull the windshield washer reservoir out, which I got it right here, and then that's just two 10 mils up there, and then you can get right into here. I already got the number 4 plug in, but it's pretty much the same. You just get like a 3/8, like a 2-inch 3/8 extension. You just get it in there. I already got this one out loose. Figured I'd make this video. Show you guys. So just, really quick. See if I can get this out of here. You kinda gotta pull the socket off of the extension when you get the plug loose. Can't get it off now, of course. Use some pliers to hold it. It's a little tricky, but overall, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I can just push the socket off there. So, as you can see, I had to take that off. You can put it in together when you're taking it out, but when the plug's on there, there's not enough clearance. So then, I got this little swivel magnet I just stuck in there. There, and pull it out, and there's your plug. And pop the new one in really quick. Grab that. Just got the auto light plugs, because the guy that I actually bought the car from thought he didn't think he would be able to do the plugs because of this, and that's kind of why I was dreading it, and I put it off, and then it started misfiring. So I was like, oh, now I gotta do them. So, but like I said, it's not terrible. Just gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on this. Quick. And then what I did, I just stuck this back in here like that, obviously, because that's how it had to come out. Kind of pushed it in there a little bit. And then you grab your 3/8 extension. Slide that in. Get to it. There you go. Then just screw it in. Dang it. Not too bad at all. Getting the wire off was a little tricky too, but you just got some of these long needle nose pliers here that I used. Even a regular set should do. Doesn't take that much force to pull them off. I already got a new set of plug wires on it, so yeah, I put those on already when I bought it, but didn't do the plugs. And then obviously you got plenty of room for your ratchet. Just, dropped my phone. It's alright. Don't have a tripod set up. Just tighten her down. Have a turn once you seat it. Good. And then, my socket got something on there, but see, the socket and extension will go in if you don't have the plug in it. You just got stuck to the plug. Get it out here. My hand's gonna be in the way. You guys probably can't see, but you can see it comes right out. And then to get it in, see the spark plug hole down there where that like dip is. You just kind of, it's pretty self-explanatory. My hand's just, there's not enough room to show you, and my light's not in there anymore. But, yep, not too bad. I'm gonna go to the other side. You just drop the plug wire on, not hard at all. Goes right in. Just gotta line it up on the plug. It's always fun doing this kind of stuff one-handed. Well, you can't really fit two hands anyways, but there we go. Pop it in. Good to go. Move on to the other side. And like I said, the windshield washer reservoir pretty much has to come out. There's no way unless you're a torsionist or whatever, and you can fit your hands down in there to do all that and get it out, and be my guest. But this definitely has to come out. Regardless, it's not hard at all. It's just two 10 mils, and then you can either take all the fluid out or just, like I just took the hoses off and kind of set it on its side there so it doesn't leak. But other than that, it's not too bad. And we'll move over to here, which I haven't even started on yet. Probably cut the camera, but this side I just pulled the intake off. I don't think I'll need, you can probably pull this air box. It's just two 12 mils down here. 1, 2, there, but I think I can get to it. We'll see here once I get everything situated. So yeah, my guess was right. I didn't need to pull this bottom half of this air box out. Get my light in here, and here we go again. Just use the magnet to pull it out. If you don't have a magnet, maybe you could use, like, if you had a pair of, 90-degree angle needle nose or something, but really the easiest way is a magnet. Or if you could pull the extension out enough to where you could grab the socket out. But the best way I found is magnet. That's what I had, so. And then I'll just pull this other one. Show kind of the full process of how I did it. Which is, I tried to look up a video here on YouTube, but I couldn't find any on the 2.5 liter here. There's one on the 2.0 or whatever the other motor is in this. It came in it, but no, I couldn't find any on this exact car at least. It was the other Subarus. I don't know much about Subarus, the STI or whatever, but yeah, I couldn't find any on this car, and I didn't really want to. I'm sure it's about pretty much the same process in the turboed ones, but I just figured I'd go at it. I would figure it out, so just like that, you got the extension and socket in there, just like that, and then just take your ratchet, click it in here, and you just crank her out. This side was a little bit harder coming out. Not too bad. Rolling. Sorry, I have to set the camera down again. It comes out like that. And then easy enough to go by hands. You just crank her out. Of course, I need the ratchet again. So, see, not possible to get out with the extension and socket and the spark plug together, so you gotta pull the socket off, which is easier said than done. There's two hands here. socket out of there, and that's it. Got it out. It's nice. Not bad at all, really. I'm sure a lot of people fucking already know how to do this stuff, but I don't know. There weren't many videos showing how to on YouTube, so figured I'd make one. Pull this. Got this. Alright, a little bit of anti-seize on there. Kind of just take it down, put it in, shove this, in case you guys didn't get it. You just put this in, extension, line it up, and there you go. Crank her in. Alright, so just all finished up, got everything back in. So, got the windshield washer reservoir in, and an intake, obviously. Find out how it is going in here. See down here. See, you can barely even get, I can't even show you guys how. See, there's the plug wires right there on the head. And there's just, once you get this out, there's not so much more room to get in there and get your arms in there and get your ratchet and everything. So definitely take the windshield washer reservoir out. Only two 10mm bolts right there, and then just the intake is super easy. Just unsnap it, unplug your mass air, and pull this off, which I actually almost forgot to tighten, so I'm gonna do that. And then you got your vacuum line for the PCV there or not, but yeah, that comes off, and then you just pull that out, and you got your plug wires down there, you get to those. So overall, not a bad job. Misfire is fixed, so I'm happy. Start her up really quick just to make sure. 2.5 boxer spark plug. Not bad at all. Well, hope you all have a good day. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Maybe help you get the spark plug done a little bit easier on your 2.5, whatever it's in. So, thanks. Have a good one.